Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Haba penrem jore ke jingsha Pynïap jong ki Ngut ki barjala Ichamati bat dalda haka arpau hanyo tarik leber kaseng BJP ha Meghalaya haka singisa jan kala kentu yu menteri rangba ukon rat ki sangma ba un betha ya ki pulit bakin penstat ya ke jingtwet bat jingkem ya ki runar ki Donkti haka te ke jingja haba kran syakilat pathai khubor unong ai ktien ke BJP uba Mariahom kharkrang ulaong bala kenturu ya ki pulit bakin ai ya ke jingmudoi persya ya ki ba Pynïap ya ki te ki Ngut hakapor balabu bat kumjuru ladawa ban penstat ya ke jing bishar kenang baki bahaying hasem jong kite ki bala syak Pynïap kinyo ya ka hok habakali bakaladon ka we ke FIR ke bala keno badai ki dekot ke seng Khasi Students Union ki baladon kti hakate ke jingja uba kharkrang ulaong bakum ke BJP kamdan jingtep halor kata bat I haki pulet banwat mano kita ki badon kti nalor kata ulaong ba ke BJP kan yai penrem juru ya ke jing syak Pynïap jong kino ki beriu ki badai na kino ki jaj benrio.
The incident which has happened in Ichamati, where 2 daily wage earners were murdered in broad daylight. Okay, and today we took the opportunity of giving a memorandum to the Chief Minister himself personally, so that he will direct the state police to ensure that these criminals are arrested at the earliest. The charge sheet is submitted as per the mandatory period, and speedy trial taken up so that justice can be given to the family members of these 2 deceased people.
But the FIR also directly said that the people involved in that incident were the KSU members.
I mean, that we leave it to the police, the wisdom of the police department, the investigating agency. We will not want to comment. We have not even seen the FIR. We leave it to the wisdom of the police, and we should be able to. So we took this opportunity. We, as a state BJP, we condemn this killing, and we will continue to condemn any form of killing of any community.